Cat machines are built to be rebuilt.
Whether it's a 3,000 hour machine that's had a really tough life or a 10,000 hour machine.
Being able to see that machine come in that has just been worn out to what appears to be its last leg, and then watching it being torn down all the way to the frame and then come back up from the bottom of the blade to the top of the cab and going back out to that job site looking brand new.
It's cheaper than buying a brand new machine.
Typically, we're going to save about 35% on a rebuilt OEM machine compared to a brand new.
These aren't disposable machines. They're designed to carry on through a second and third life.
I've seen 3 and 4 lives come out of certain machines.
And your operator's already in the machine, so they're comfortable in it.
Frame hours, major components, OEM parts that we put back on rebuilds are going to outlast our competitors, bar none.
If we touch that machine and go through a rebuild process, we've looked at everything, we've dotted I's, we've crossed T's.
Overall, it's more than that. It's about sustainability. It's about the Mustang Cat experience. We try to own the rebuild process from the time we inspect the machine out in the field and quote it with our product support sales reps, all the way to following it back out with a field service technician at their site after the rebuild was done.
Our field service is top notch. Our shops are top notch. We have the best shop technicians doing the work.
Throughout the rebuild experience, we'll make sure that our communication is top notch, fluid updates for customers where they're at, always have an open door for those customers to come in, do walk around inspections. They're there at the time that we inspect the machine out in the field, all the way through when it comes out of that paint booth and back on the trailer to go back to the job site.
You're getting genuine Cat parts. It's supported from Cat all the way down to the dealer.
Plus, you get a whole new machine warranty out of it.
And when you do a rebuild through Mustang, you have the guarantee that Mustang is going to stand behind their work, and that if something does go wrong, we will be out there to take care of that machine, morning, noon, or night.
We take pride in our rebuild.
Cat is built to be rebuilt. These machines will run forever if you can take care of them and allow us to rebuild them.
Proof is in the pudding.
Our track record speaks for itself.
We support our product. We support our work.
It's an amazing visual for me. It's an amazing visual for the customer. And to know that that machine's going to get another life out in the field, it's a great feeling.
We want to have the best customer experience available, and we believe that we are best in class.